Inspecting your furnace filter once a month and replacing when dirty not only improves your furnace's efficiency, it can also extend the life of your furnace. When a filter is clogged with dirt, dust, pet hair, the air doesn't flow as easily as it's supposed to, which means your furnace has to work harder. And if it's working harder, it's using more energy. Replacing your filter is simple and takes just a couple of minutes. First, turn off the furnace. Then, locate the existing filter and remove it. Be sure to note the dimensions of the filter so you know what size to buy when replacing it. You can find these at just about any hardware store. Next, install the new filter. Make sure it's the correct size and that it's pointing in the right direction for proper airflow. Finally, turn your furnace back on. That's it. You're good to go until next month. Way to save!